Hello friends, I'm Dr. M. Fatima. Today I'm taking operating system UNIX. So the operating system is a program which starts up when you turn on your computer and it run other programs also underneath. In simple words, the operating system is actually a manager which manages the different resources available on the computer. On the computer, the resources like CPU, memory, hard disk, buffer, printer, scanner, etc. The task the operating system performs are the control of the hardware, the different type of hardwares like printers, scanners, keyboards. So all the operating system do the control of these hardwares. Different type of applications can run on um, with the help of the operating system, like the web browser can be open simultaneously, the games can be open simultaneously, the word file, ppt, different files can be opened. So it runs different applications. This also manages different data and files, like the user make different files, and doing the saving of these files. So the operating system need to manage these data properly. So the files are placed in a directory, and it is managed in a proper way, in a proper path. So Unix operating system is actually was born in late 1916s, and it was the led by the person Ken Thompson, worked at Bell Labs. But now the Unix has gone many different generations and mutations. This is the architecture of the Unix operating system. This is the hardware. First layer is the hardware. Next is the kernel. Kernel is actually the operating system. This is an interface between hardware and system call interface. The system call interface is the third layer, and the fourth layer is Unix or commands, libraries, or you can say the user written applications. The kernel is interfacing between the system call interface and hardware. The system call interface is also called shell. So kernel is interface between these two. This manages the shell and the hardware. Similarly, the system call is the interface between the user hidden applications and the kernel. So this is also a general Unix architecture. In this, you can see this is the layer of hardware, like keyboard, mouse, printer, scanners, different hard disks, different hardwares are present here. So kernel manages this hardware, and the kernel manages with the help of these shell. So these are the commands of the shell. Like echo displays the different values. Similarly, date gives the date provides the date. And so these are the different commands. So these are present on the shell, and these commands, the kernel takes help of these commands to interact with the hardware, and the application programs are the interfacing between kernel and the between the sorry, the shell is interface between application programs and kernel. So these are the parts as we have seen already: the kernel, shell, and the application. So the main characteristics of the Unix as an operating system: the multi-users and multitasking. Different users can use the Unix at a time, and it can perform the different tasks, like you can open web browser, you can open YouTube, you can open games, etc. And the large number of applications, they are using Unix operating system free of cost. And the backbone of the internet is actually the Unix server. The internet is run by Unix servers, and many of the web servers run Unix. So and less resource, this is less resource intensive. The most of the Unix installation tend to be much of less demanding on system resources. So the computers runs the Unix without any problem. So these are the and this Unix is free of cost. This operating system is free of cost. So these are the main features of the Unix. Thank you.